Meaning of disenchanted.
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 Disenchanted. The term disenchanted refers to a feeling of disillusionment or disappointment that arises when one's beliefs or expectations are not met. It describes a state of being no longer captivated or enchanted by something, and instead feeling let down or disillusioned by it. This can occur in a variety of contexts, such as in personal relationships, careers, politics, or religion. Ultimately, the result of feeling disenchanted is a loss of faith or trust in something or someone, which can lead to feelings of apathy, cynicism, or emptiness.